Green Home Energy Solutions predominantly looks at renewable energies. We specialise in photovoltaic solar panels, so these are the solar panels on top of your roof that generate electricity, and through a government feedback scheme gives you a return on your investment.
We have over 15 qualified electricians with roofing experience, which covers all our installations from start to finish. And we don't use any subcontractors. All the access equipment is done in-house as well, so my guys can see the job from start to finish.
We started doing photovoltaic solar systems about 3 years ago. We were the first ones in the Norwich area to get our accreditation.
We're a local family-run company that likes to pride ourselves on offering really good customer service.
There are three main reasons why customers should have solar panels fitted to their roof. First reason, it's good for the environment. The second reason, you can turn the tables on your energy supplier by turning your roof into a power station and gaining a government-backed incentive. And the third reason, it's going to add value to your property.
The government-backed feed-in tariff is a guaranteed amount of money for 25 years. The feed-in tariff rate, which is currently 43.3p, is guaranteed for those 25 years. It's index-linked every April in line with inflation, and it's a tax-free income as well.
A PV system should pay for itself between 6 and 10 years. Because of the feed-in tariff and all the other benefits from installing PV panels, the rate of return on investment is such a good rate that a lot of people are taking money out of ISAs and putting PV panels on their roof. They're putting extra money on their mortgage and putting systems on their roof. Basically, because the feed-in tariff adds up to a return of anywhere between sort of 8 and 16%, it's a much better option than putting money in the bank account.
If you have the solar panels fitted, we provide you with a certificate to say that we, as an accredited company, have installed those panels for you, and then you apply to your utility company for the feed-in tariff, and they will pay you at the moment 43.3p for every single unit those solar panels produce, whether you use that electricity or not.
When we install a system, we install a meter which clocks up units as you generate it. You send that reading away to your supplier every 3 months, and they will pay you an income based on that reading.
In addition to that, any electricity that you don't use, they will go straight back onto the grid, and they'll pay you an extra 3p for it. And during the day, when you're at home and you're using your normal appliances, you're using the free electricity from the roof, and that will reduce your energy bills down.
An installation normally takes about 2 days. The first day, the guys will do the roof work. They'll get all the panels on the roof and make sure it's all securely fitted. The second day, as long as the weather's been good to us on the first day, they'll do all the internal work, mounting the inverter and routing cables to the consumer unit.
Photovoltaic panels are made up of individual cells. These cells are wired in series. They're made of a natural material called silicon. The solar energy which goes into this panel is then converted with a chemical reaction through the cells into a DC voltage, which then goes into the inverter.
This is the inverter that converts the DC power produced from the array, from the PV array that we've installed on the roof, converts it from DC to AC. And that feeds back onto the grid. We've got a meter here. This is what you measure your feed-in tariff from. That measures exactly how much power your PV array has produced.
One of the questions we get asked is, does it have to be sunny to get electricity out of the panels? And actually, no, it doesn't. Whilst they work on a day like this is perfect conditions for them, actually they will work in the middle of winter as well. So it's the daylight, not the sunlight, that actually makes them work.
The PV systems in general have zero maintenance. There's no serviceable parts, there's no moving parts, and it's a system where you can just plug in and play. All you have to do is a weekly check, a visual check on the system, and to make sure that obviously in daylight hours that your system is generating to your expectation.
They're self-cleaning, so as soon as it rains, they'll clean themselves. The only other piece of equipment that we install is the inverter, and we give a full 10-year warranty on our inverters and on our solar panels as well, and on our workmanship, so you can feel safe and secure that, you know, if anything does fail within the first 10 years, we will come out and replace anything for you. All the people we employ are either qualified electricians, or we've got them trained up as being qualified solar installers, so that we know every single person that's doing our work for us is qualified and will do a good job.
Greenham Energy Solutions can be trusted to offer our customers with a professional service from start to finish. We will always be there on the end of the phone. We have no call centres. Everyone who picks the phone up will be able to answer your questions and your queries, and we will always be there for you.
To get in touch with us, you can look on our website. It's www.greenhomenergysolutions.co.uk, or give the office a ring on 01603 713 816, and there'll be someone on the end of the phone to answer your questions.